Let's do a little quick prediction for this coming year and what the expectations are, because there's a lot of buyers and sellers out there that are thinking what's going on, what's going to happen, because there's been a huge administration change down to the south of us, and we're going to have a big administration change potentially up here in Canada as well. What does this mean for our real estate market? Hi, I'm Tara Lyons of Team Lyons with Royal LePage, and I want to welcome you to the January 2025 Marketing Report. Happy New Year. Can you believe we're here? And we're really happy we have 2024 in our rear view mirrors because there's a lot of positive talk for the new year. So we are still in a housing shortage. We really don't expect this to change. Whether it's the current administration or a new administration, the housing shortage has to be dealt with. There is no quick fix. We simply need to build more homes. The second thing is, we actually wound up having a pretty strong kind of last month or two in respect to activity. We saw some more activity. Now, when I say that, I mean across the country. Specifically for our area, we're a little bit slower to respond. We're usually behind Toronto or Vancouver, the larger markets. But when we see those places have activity, we know it's coming here. And the expectation is we're going to have a fairly strong first and second quarter. So if you are thinking of buying and selling, now is the time to do it, because what happens? Prices start to go up. We're hoping to see maybe another interest rate change at the end of January where it does go down. We won't know that, of course, until it comes. If you have been a buyer out there that was pre-qualified prior to that change, please make sure that you talk to your mortgage broker or your bank to see where you're qualified at now, because it will make a change. The third thing is there's a lot of talk and concern about the tariffs that are potentially coming in, but you know what? Our governments are going to get that figured out. It'll hurt them as much as it hurts us. So the prediction is it's not going to affect our real estate market a whole lot right now. You really don't need to worry about that. If you're thinking of buying or selling, still on board and buy or sell, upsizing, downsizing, looking to invest, it's a great time for that as well. So that's the overall big picture. So now let's get into some details. So let's talk about what's gone on in Belleville. And the number one question everybody has is, where's our average house sale price? It did come down. We had on average in November approximately $525,000 as the average sale price, and in December we had $467,000. What does that mean from year over year? If we go back to December of 2023, we had approximately $503,000, and then we are at the $467,000 for December of this past year. Down overall, month over month, but also remember that December typically is a quieter month than others, so you're working on fewer sales. Okay, let's talk Prince Edward County. With taking a look at your average sale price, because that's what everybody wants to know, and keeping in mind this average sale price takes in all the different styles and types of properties. So it's something that it's okay to give it to you, but if you're on waterfront, your average sale price on waterfront is going to be a lot higher than if you're in one of our smaller towns down in the county. So please keep that in mind, because this encompasses everything. The average sale price in December of 2023 was $690, and this past December of 2024 it was $698. So it hasn't changed a whole lot. It came up a little bit, which was great. The other part that I like to see was in November, it was $685. So you went from $685,000 in November to $698,000 in December, and we're still on that little bit of a trend of going up. And then of course, you want to know your average days on market, and that went from 70 days on market in November to 77 in December. So overall, we're starting to see finally some positive news for Prince Edward County. We're seeing a little bit of a trend up where we want to see it up with pricing. So this is positive. Okay, let's talk Quinte West. Average sale price in 2023 in December was $533,000, and in 2024 December it's $552,000. So yay, we saw some nice increase there. And that was working off of sales from a year ago that was 31 sales, and in December we had 35 sales. So year over year, Quinte West, positive, excellent. The days on market also went down. So month over month, November it was 52 days and December it was 46 days. So again, we're seeing that nice trend that we want to see. So excellent Quinte West. Okay, so if you are living in Madoc or Tweed or Brighton, please, any of our other communities that I haven't mentioned on here, please give us a call. We have the stats for everything, but also more importantly, specifically, we can do your home in these locations. And I am really looking forward to 2025. So if you are thinking of buying, selling, investing, mortgage refinancing, we are here to help you. You can visit us online, TaraLyons.ca. You can give us a call, 613-922-3200, or send an email, tara@TaraLyons.com.